What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today we're gonna learn how you can use economic calendar in investigating.com. So let's get started. So firstly, just go to your investigating.com app or investigating.com website and then log in with your account. Then you'll be redirected over here to the home screen of investigating.com. So now, as you want to use the economic calendar, you can go over here. So these are the topics over here. So just below broker and tool, there you'll find the option which says economic calendar. Just go over there and now you can have this economic calendar option, or let's say the platform. Over here you can see the economic calendar today, tomorrow, or even the yesterday's one, or even this week and also the next week one. So economic calendar is generally used to see the events that will be occurring on the coming future. So it generally means that this particular stock is gonna come, or let's say it's gonna rise, or that particular event gonna rise. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you use it. You can use it for tomorrow, you can see the events of this week or also the next week and start trading from there. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. So thank you for watching our video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.